Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Sanjukta, and if you are watching this face for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon over here so that whenever I come live, you can get a notification. I know in all over the internet everyone is busy to talking about top 5 sunscreen, which sunscreen is good, chemical sunscreen or physical sunscreen, which sunscreen you have to buy and which not. But in today's video I'm gonna talking about so many things like the precautions so that you not to get tanned, the tips and tricks, also which sunscreen is best for you. I will tell you that how you can choose your best sunscreen for you, also how to remove tan and all. So if you are that person who was waiting for this video, then without further any more time, let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, first I will talk about the precautions so that you can avoid to get tan. So I will share few tips and tricks. हम लोग every alternative person go outside for their job, for school and college, एंड अभी तो सब ओपन हो गया है, कोई वर्क फ्रॉम होम नहीं हो रहा है, बहुत कम हो गया है पहले से. तो बेसिकली एवरीवन इज़ गोइंग आउटसाइड. तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ प्लीज़ carry a umbrella with you. It's very important. It will not only help you from getting tan, it will also help you from getting damaged skin. सन रे से सिर्फ हमारा टैन नहीं पड़ता है, इससे हमारा स्किन डैमेज भी होता है बहुत. तो इसके लिए क्या होता है, प्री एजिंग होता है, रिंकल्स पड़ जाते हैं. सो इट्स वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट टू टेक अ अम्ब्रेला ताकि आपकी स्किन के ऊपर डायरेक्ट सन रेस ना पड़े. सो इट्स वेरी important. Also it will help your hair बिकॉज सन रे से हेयर भी बहुत डैमेज हो जाता है, रफ हो जाता है, मॉइस्चर ले जाता है सन रेज. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कैरी अ अम्ब्रेला. आई नो देयर आर सो मैनी पीपल हु डू नॉट लव टू कैरी अम्ब्रेला. बेसिकली अभी हीट इतना ही ज़्यादा है, अगर आप अपने आप को अच्छा रखने चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ कैरी अ अम्ब्रेला. ओके, सो आई हैव अ अल्टरनेटिव ऑप्शन फॉर यू गाइज हु डोंट लाइक टू कैरी अम्ब्रेला. यू कैन वेयर अ cap. I mean girls and boys both you can wear cap. Even most of the time I saw that boys are not interested to carry an umbrella. I don't know why. And the another option is to carry a cotton scarf or clothes so that you can wrap your face with that cloth. This is also help you from getting tanned from sun ray. Next is before stepping out you have to wear और अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन. SPF इसका होना चाहिए 30 से 50. सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई करने के बाद ही तुरंत आप घर से बाहर मत निकल जाए. घर से निकलने के 15 मिनट्स पहले सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई कीजिए. सो इट्स वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. सनस्क्रीन इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट क्योंकि सन रे से हमारा टैन तो होता ही है, ऑल्सो स्किन डैमेज होता है जो मैंने पहले ऑलरेडी बोला है. तो सनस्क्रीन इसको हेल्प करता है फ्रॉम गेटिंग डैमेज स्किन और फ्रॉम गेटिंग टैन. ऑल्सो रीअप्लाई करना मत भूलना बिकॉज इसका जो इफेक्ट होता है, आप जो पहले अप्लाई करते हैं सनस्क्रीन, उसका इफेक्ट थोड़ा कम हो जाता है कुछ घंटे के बाद. सो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू रीअप्लाई. गाइज विल कैन ईजिली रीअप्लाई द सनस्क्रीन बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द गाइज डोंट वेयर मेकअप, सो इट्स ईजी फॉर देम. बट देयर आर फ्यू गर्ल्स हु लव टू अप्लाई makeup before stepping out, so for them it's difficult to reapply sunscreen. So I have a very good option which is powder sunscreen. Okay, so in market there are very less sunscreen which is in powder form. So I have two other options. One is Face Shop का powder sunscreen and I feel it's a SPF 50 if I'm not wrong. I will mention over here. And but the thing is it's very expensive, it's very costly. I think it's rupees around 1500. So I know it's very expensive, but again I have another option which is Kia Shade. Yeah, Kia Shade powder sunscreen and it costs for rupees only 280. और इसमें zinc oxide है and it will help your skin from sun ray. So these are the two options for powder sunscreen. ओके अगर आप ऑलरेडी टैंड हो गए हैं तो आई विल शेयर हाउ टू रिमूव टैन. First, I will share kitchen ingredient which is easily available in our kitchen, and this will be very helpful especially for teenager or college going students, because they are like always in a budget, most of them, not all. So for them I will share few kitchen ingredients which is very helpful to remove tan from our body. ओके वन मोर थिंग आई वॉन्ट टू शेयर दैट टैन रिमूव करना उतना ईजी नहीं होता है, क्योंकि आप ग्रेजुअली टैन होते हैं उसको आप रिमूव नहीं करते हैं, कुछ करते नहीं हैं, तो दिस प्रोसेस इज़ वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, बट यू हैव टू कंसिस्टेंट, बिकॉज आज आप कुछ अप्लाई किए हैं उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वीक में किए हैं, ऐसे टैन रिमूव नहीं होता है, आपको डेली करना पड़ेगा. सो फर्स्ट kitchen ingredient is tomato. Tomato is a natural bleaching product. Tomato will definitely help you to remove tan from your body. So few months back I went to the vacation and it was a sea beach and I got tan in 2 days. I was like कैसे मैं अभी रिमूव करूँ. अभी आप मेरे स्किन टोन देख पा रहे, कोई टैन नहीं है अभी मेरे फेस में. आफ्टर कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम देयर आई हैव यूज टमेटो जूस फॉर 1 week. Yes, for 7 days I have applied half tomato on my face, on my hand, on my feet. So it definitely helped me to remove my tan. Okay, second kitchen ingredient is potato. Potato juice is another very good natural bleaching product which is also works wonderful to remove your tan. When I was in college at that time I used to use potato juice. This is also very helpful and good product to remove your tan. Okay, now I will share a face pack for you guys which is very helpful to remove your sun tan from your face and body. These ingredients are easily available in our Indian kitchen, so yeah, I know we are so blessed. And also this face pack is very common, most of us we know about this because it's a grandma's recipe, but we don't use that face pack because we are so lazy, I know. So it's a gentle reminder for you that please get up, go to your kitchen and bring those ingredients and make that face pack and apply on your face. Okay, now I will share few products which is easily available in our market and as well as online store. So first I will suggest to do scrub on your face and on your body too. So scrubbing is very important to remove your dead cell skin and remove your tan. So for this I have a very great yet affordable option which is this Biotic Bio Papaya tan removal scrub, and this is how it looks like. I am using this product since when I was in college because first thing first, it's very affordable. Biotic, it's a brand which is very affordable brand, so you can easily afford those things from Biotic. And it has a 75-gram product and it's only for ₹199, and if you place the order from online store you will definitely get a discount. And in this summer season there is summer sale is going on, so please place the order because it will definitely help you to remove your tan from your face and body. It has a large scrubbing particles. I am mentioning this because you must be don't like to use large scrubbing particles, so that's why I have mentioned. So it's your choice to use it or not, but it's really help to remove tan from our body. Okay, now I will talk about the face mask, and for face mask I have another very good product which is this Mamaearth Uptan face mask. I know again Uptan because Uptan is a thing which really help you to remove tans, and it has a saffron, turmeric and apricot oil, so it has very good ingredient list, and it costs for rupees 499। आई नो अभी इसका रेंज थोड़ा इंक्रीज हुआ है कि नहीं, आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज इट्स अ ओल्ड प्रोडक्ट. इट्स बीन 2 years that I have purchased this and I am still using this product. It's amazing, it's that great, it instantly brighten up your skin. So I really love this face mask by Mamaearth. Okay, last but not the least, here I will talk about the sunscreen. Okay, so before purchase any sunscreen, please be aware, please do a research before buying any sunscreen, because in market there are two types of sunscreen. One is chemical sunscreen and one is physical sunscreen. तो chemical sunscreen UV ray को absorb कर लेते हैं और उसको neutralize कर लेते हैं, और इधर physical sunscreen UV ray को रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं, जैसे कि आपके स्किन के ऊपर एक बैरियर क्रिएट करते हैं और उसको रिफ्लेक्ट कर देता है. सो पर्सनली इफ़ यू आस्क मी, आई प्रेफर टू यूज़ फिजिकल सनस्क्रीन. अगर आप घर के अंदर भी हैं तब भी आपको सनस्क्रीन यूज़ करना चाहिए, क्योंकि जहाँ पे भी विजिबिलिटी है लाइट से यू हैव टू यूज़ सनस्क्रीन, बिकॉज यूवी रे वहाँ पे भी एंटर कर सकते हैं और आपकी स्किन को डैमेज कर सकते हैं. यूवी रे से और सन रे से हमारा प्री एजिंग होता है, सनस्क्रीन उसको हेल्प करते हैं from getting pre-aging. So in market there are few forms of sunscreen like lotion, cream, gel, powder, as I have mentioned earlier. So as your skin concern, you can choose them accordingly. Okay, first I will recommend you very affordable yet very good and physical sunscreen, which is this Aroma Magic Cucumber Sunscreen Lotion, and it has SPF 30. So Aroma Magic is a brand who don't use harmful chemical for your skin, so it's safe to use their product. Also they clearly mention all the ingredients in their ingredient list, and it's free from paraben, alcohol and artificial fragrance and color, which is a great thing for a sunscreen. Okay, for body lotion or body sunscreen, I will suggest this Beautyco Sunscreen Lotion with SPF 50. So also this is another good product. They don't use harmful chemical for your skin, so it's safe to use this kind of sunscreen. Okay, now I will share my favorite sunscreen, which is this Earth Rhythm Ultra Defense SPF 50 and PA++++, which is a great sunscreen for Indian skin tone. So here is the packaging, as you can see, and it comes with like this packaging. I really love the packaging of this, because packaging is something which always attracts me. So if I talking about, it has 50 ml product and it costs for rupees around 700. But yes, but if you purchase this sunscreen from their website, I mean Earth Rhythm website, you will definitely get 50% discount from their website. And if you purchase this from Nykaa, there also you will get discount, but in their website you will get 50% discount. Even I got this for around 378 something. So yes, it's a great deal. I always purchase product in a discount. Also it has air packaging. It calls air tight packaging, which is great for any product. Though it's a cream form, but it's very watery and lightweight. It doesn't leave any kind of white cast, which is a great thing about this sunscreen. I am in love with this sunscreen. This is like holy grail for me. Okay, last recommendation from my side is this Minimalist sunscreen. Oh my god, Minimalist is another favorite brand of mine. I really love their products, and it is also 50 ml product, and it costs for rupees around 399 or 499. I mean it's like 400 to 500 around. So I will mention all the details over here, so you can definitely check this out. So this is another great option for sunscreen. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video very helpful. So if you didn't, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also comment down what other video you want me to do. I will definitely make this video for you guys. So yes, I will see in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay fresh, stay hydrated. Bye.